Now, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Oh yeah, I've always wanted to say that, guys. My name is Kevin. I'm Davina's husband. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. So I don't have a YouTube channel. I pretty much binge on her stuff. So that's like a statement I love to hear. Like I watch a lot of YouTube channels and they always say, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. So this is my chance. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Now let's get into the video. All right, you got the Morphe brush. I love the Morphe brush. You might ask for what reason? The name. I love the fact that they called it Morphe. It sounds like they're saying Morpheus from Matrix or the Mighty Morphe Power Rangers, something of that sort. So yeah, for me, it's like it relates to guys. All right, dudes understand what I'm saying, don't worry. All right, let's go. We're going into the eyes. I'm gonna be working on the eyes today. All right, all right. I'm sure you're gonna see a lot of brush work, but we're starting like light. I don't know what she's doing now. I think she's like forming some kind of a base with a certain color. And then Davina really does like magic with this stuff. Like the way it starts off and then the way it ends, and the way it looks in the end, it's amazing. So be ready to get your minds blown away when she's done. All right. I can only understand this based on my background, which is construction. My granddad was a construction guy. My dad was a construction guy, and I'm a construction guy. So I get it when you got layers, painting some sort. Oh, what's that? There's something silver. Oh, I like those. Those are my favorite. Those are like eyeshadows and a little bit of a background story on that. So Davina always used to buy these little eyeshadows, like a ton. I don't even know how many she bought. You know, it's like a whole bag of little eyeshadowy things. I like the way they look and that they're portable. So I always used to be like, okay, let's get another one. So and it's different colors. I don't even know what brand that is, but I like it. It's pretty cool. I like that. All right, it's already coming out. You guys see that? Like we got a little bit of shine going in. All right. And if you like the shine, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Like I said, I'm going to be saying that a lot, because I'm trying to be that guy who says that in all the different videos. All right. I think I just saw Jacqueline Hill palette. Yeah, I know these brands because, man, yeah, she sent me sometimes Sephora, go get me this, so I know what I'll be looking for. It's not a bad thing, guys, going out there, get your wife some makeup. It's not a bad thing at all. And oh yeah, by the way, I'm actually not a makeup artist. I don't really know much about makeup. I'm just making up stuff as we go in this video. So don't take this as professional advice. Yep. Let's see. There we go. Oh, it's coming out. So that pink kind of went purple. Kind of wow. This is pretty cool. All right. As you can see, this is pretty quick. Okay, she does this in record time too. Like we'll be going up to drop off my son at school in the morning, and she's like, "Hey, tell me when the speed bumps are coming." I don't want to stick makeup brush in my eye, but she does it very well. Like I think she's born to do this, so I'm happy that she gets to share her gift with the world. Mm, and I support her 24/7 all the time, 100%. Okay, we're getting in again with another different Morphe. I call this the blonde because it's just blonde brush. It's different to the other ones. That's the only way I can call it. I mean, I'm sure it's got a number like Morphe something something, But yeah, she's going in with a brush. Right. And tell me what you guys think. This is looking pretty cool already, right? It's looking pretty cool. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, and Wifey's gonna be coming out with some products, some merch, definitely some makeup products. Tell us what you guys want to see first. Be shipping worldwide, definitely. Um, it's gonna be some pretty interesting. And she'll probably give away everything for free because she's that much of a giver. But if I'm involved, you guys are gonna be paying because I'm the sales guy. All right, let's see. Let's see. There we go. All right. Now I've been privileged to go to like pretty much go see her clients, a few clients that she had. So you can, to get makeup done, some really high end people and stuff like that. But like, and it's so funny. I always used to ask her, like, how is it that every time you do makeup on people, it's like they falling asleep at the time you're done. It's so soothing. It's borderline a massage, I guess, the way that she does it. You know, um, it's pretty cool that she has that effect as well. It's not just the makeup, but it's the way that it's done, and that people really appreciate the way that they feel. You know, when she does makeup on them, and I hope that you get that as well from the channel. Like, you feel relaxed. It's a place where you can just, chill, get to see some stuff, get some information, but you really get that vibe of just, relaxed. All right. That is something cosmetics. I'm not so sure I couldn't see it, but what are we doing now? What are we doing now? What are we doing now? Oh, colors. All right. Another pink shade. I think that's like a glitter look that we're going to be going for now. All right. Oh, different shades. All right. Okay. Now, I'm not so technical when it comes to this, but I'm sure you can tell from what you're looking at that it's coming out and it looks pretty awesome. So, and that you kind of dab it on. Okay, that's different. Morphe's kind of not working now. It's the dab with the finger. All right. Oh, by the way, I've wanted to say this for the longest time. So you see those eyebrows that wifey has? Natural, nice eyebrows. That was my idea. Okay, just wanted you guys to know that, yo, you know, I did that. If there's a way I could like patent that and sell it, I would. But the problem is they stay on her, so yeah. All right. Let's see. Okay, okay. She's dabbing again. All right. Hey, so you guys can vote for me to kind of do this all the time, not all the time, because you won't get the information, but once in a while I could come through, we could do a fun video and talk a little bit about makeup from a guy's perspective. Even worse, like from a construction guy's perspective. That's very far. But I get it, I love my wife, so I love anything that she does and I try to understand it as much as I can. Let's see. Okay. Oh, the pinky wave. Okay, guys. So that's official. We're gonna do something special now. All right. Oh, oh yeah. So that's the cornerstone. Okay, from a builder's language to you guys' language. That's the cornerstone. That's like I like that shiny thing, the corner of the eye. I don't know what it's called, like in real terms, but I call it the cornerstone. Yeah, you have to do the pinky wave first before you do the cornerstone. So, all right. Let's see. What else are we gonna do now? Mascara. Man, this part is scary for me. So, think about it this way. Like, I know everyone has had this experience where you kind of have an eyelash that just breaks off or something gets stuck in your eye. The pain that you go through, man. And I'm looking at this mascara one, and it's got all those little pieces on it, and then there's my eyelashes that are potentially breaking. And for me, this is just dangerous. But kudos to you, ladies. Like, I salute you all the way for your bravery. This is something I would not do, and I would not try this at home. All right, all right. So let's see. We got the mascara wand. Hmm. All right. I'll be asking like really weird questions though. Like, what do they make mascara from? Like, that's the kind of things I'm thinking. Not really the brand and stuff. Just like what material is that for it to be dark and and sticky like that? Oh, what is it? You know, I did road construction, so I would think it's tar, but I'm not gonna say that. Let's see, Nyx. Oh, Nyx. I know Nyx. I was sent to buy Nyx once. That's why I know Nyx. Yep, I know Nyx. Okay, let's go. All right, this is pretty cool. Okay, oh, we're doing the blush. So I'm sure you guys can notice that Davina, like she just has like blush all the time. It's from all the kisses. I am always kissing her cheeks. So if you do that enough times, you kind of get a natural blush. It's a free tip right there. All right. Mm-hmm. And we're gonna go back in just to finish off, just to put a little bit of touch on the cornerstone. All right. There we go. Man, that is so awesome. Well, I'm actually crushing on my wife right now, so that's another reason why I'm on this video. I just decided to, you know, take some time and appreciate the goodness of the Lord in the land of the living. hmm Ah, that's the milk dewy spray. I don't know if that's actually what it is, but yeah, I call it that. And I think we're done. Not yet done. We're getting into the lip gloss, which I've been bugging wifey. Hey, get a lip gloss out there. You're really good with lip glosses. You do a good job picking the right colors. You could do a really good job and have your people have the right stuff, you know. And this is pretty cool. All right, I think we are almost done with the look. Oh, yep, we're done. How does she look, guys? She looks exceptionally amazing. All right. Okay, guys, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and comment down below if you want to see anything specific. Thank you so much for watching. We love y'all. Next one.